Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Section 3.12, Excel's simple side-by-side sheet comparison. In some situations, you may want to compare two worksheets that are in different windows. The view side-by-side feature makes this task a bit easier. First, make sure that the two sheets are displayed in separate windows. The sheets can be in the same workbook or in different workbooks. If you want to compare two sheets in the same workbook, choose View, Window, New Window to create a new window for the active workbook. Activate the first window, then choose View, Window, View Side by Side. If more than two windows are open, you see a dialog box that lets you select the window for the comparison. The two windows are titled to fill the entire screen. Now to go through and clean this up, you're going to have to just simply go and close each one of these. And I generally just like to start over. Now we'll try this a second time. View side by side. We'll hit 3.13. Now I set this up just a second ago, so it works in sync. And you can see 3.12 up top, 3.13. If you note here, because these are different worksheets, this makes no sense. But if you turn off synchronize, you're going to work independently here. If you hit synchronize, worksheets are going to move in sync together. We're going to try something here. We're going to close 3.13. So just double click the right at the top of your ribbon. Just close the worksheet. Now we're going to go View, New Window. Now we're going to go View, Side by Side, 3.12. Now you're going to see where this makes a little more sense. I have both 3.121 and 3.122 open, and they're synchronized. And if you want to do a quick comparison, let's say you screwed up somewhere along the line and you're out of sync. Let's say you made a copy of 3.12 yesterday and today you were working on 3.12 and you made a mistake somewhere in today's reconciliation and you saved 3.12 in today's model. So you can just do a quick mirror and see if you can recognize or find any changes. To turn off the synchronized, just turn off synchronized, turn it back on. If you go back up to the ribbon, hit synchronize scrolling, you can turn it off and on. You can hit reset window positions. And what happens there is if you maximize 3.1, just hit reset windows and it'll put you back into this. You can change this arrangement here. Be careful when you hit arrange all. The reason being, if you have multiple worksheets behind that are viewable, you hit arrange all, you're going to sync everything together. That can be a nightmare. So just be careful. Give you an example. Hit horizontal, and guess what you just did? You brought all of your worksheets together, and now you have an absolute mess. And to clean this up, I have to hit Control W just to close all of these out. We can split a worksheet. Simply go to View, Split. You're going to see now we're in quadrants. You can work independent in each quadrant. You can move the row split. You can move the column split. Simply hold your mouse to the left, highlight the column, move the split left or right, wherever you want. You can do the same with the row, move it left or right. You can remove both of the split column and row simply by going up to the View, Split, and click Split. You can, again, hit Split, and if you just want the column split, go to the row split, highlight it, double click, and now you have a column split. To remove the column split, do the exact same thing as you did with the row, and that is to highlight, double click, split is gone. You can go to the split, reinsert it, or hit the split again to remove. That's it. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.